Hey everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. Today I would like to discuss a little more about a new crypto coin that everyone is starting to talk about, and there's a lot of people saying that it may go up, but I would like to educate everyone in terms of what the coin is, where you can find information on it, and what its current price is, and so on. So just type down Floki Inu price, you should automatically get a pop-up regarding Floki Inu, and then I usually go to CoinMarketCap to find my information. So here we can see its rank. It's over a 2,736 rank, so it's on 170,000 watch list. So it's on a lot of watch lists at the moment, and its price is at 0.00024. Its current market cap is 2.1 trillion. In the last 24 hours, the amount of volume is $76 million. And its max supply shown here is 10 trillion. However, currently there is a self-reported circulating supply of 9.4 trillion coins. So here is a chart in the past day. So let's check out 7 days to see the performance of the coin. So it has been going down and it seems like it has been stabilizing. And then one of the most important questions that my viewers have is, where can we buy this? In order to buy this, you have to go to these following crypto exchanges called Uniswap, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, or AOFEX. If you guys want me to make a video of a step-by-step, easy-to-follow tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I can do that. That will be it for today. This is just a quick video educating people where you can find information and what the coin is. And I highly recommend people to read the description to get to know where and how the coin was created. Thank you, everyone.